Welcome back to Learn English Fast, Day 13. Today, we're doing something super practical and also something that makes you speak like a native instantly. The topic is this: how to buy medicine like a native. And in this episode, I want you to picture a real situation because that's how you break the boredom and stay locked in. Imagine you're in a pharmacy. You're not feeling 100% and you need help right now. You can't just say one simple sentence like, "I need medicine." No, you need natural phrases that sound confident, clear, and polite. You need the exact lines natives use so you don't freeze. So, here's the hook. If you can learn these short phrases today, you will be able to ask for the right medicine faster. You will understand questions from the pharmacist, and you will avoid awkward moments. And yes, this will make you feel like you're actually living in English. Let's start with the feeling. You're standing there. The pharmacist looks at you, and they say something like this: "What seems to be the problem?" Your answer needs to be simple but native. Repeat after me. I have a sore throat. I feel dizzy. I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I've got a cough. Now your turn. Say one of them out loud right now. Even if you feel silly, do it. This is how you train your mouth. Next, the pharmacist might ask you a natural follow-up. When did it start? Listen and repeat. It started yesterday. It started this morning. It's been 3 days. Now add the important part. You want to ask for the something specific. Say this: I'm looking for something for a sore throat. Repeat. I'm looking for something for a sore throat. Now another option. I need something for my headache. Again, I need something for my headache. Great. Now here's the real native upgrade. You don't only say what you want, you also ask what they recommend. And natives do that all the time because it shows confidence. Say this: what do you recommend? Repeat. What do you recommend? Now let's add a polite softener because it sounds friendly and professional. Say this: what do you recommend for adults? Again, what do you recommend for adults? Or you can say, do you have something that's non-drowsy? Non-drowsy is a super useful phrase for allergy medicines. Repeat. Do you have something that's non-drowsy? Now we're going to shadow like real English speakers. Shadowing means you repeat with the same rhythm, so don't rush. Follow my pace. Listen. Okay, for how long have you had it? Now you answer. I've had it for 2 days. Repeat. I've had it for 2 days. Perfect. Now the pharmacist might ask, are you allergic to anything? Here's how to answer like a native. I'm not allergic to anything. Repeat. I'm not allergic to anything. Another option. I'm allergic to penicillin. Repeat. I'm allergic to penicillin. Now say this carefully. If you don't know, say, I'm not sure. Repeat. I'm not sure. Good. Now let's talk about dosage because this is where people often get confused. Natives ask questions clearly. They don't guess. They say, how should I take it? Repeat. How should I take it? Now add frequency. How often should I take it? Repeat. How often should I take it? And if you want to be even more clear, say, what's the recommended dose? Repeat. What's the recommended dose? Now you might ask about side effects. That's also very native and responsible. Say this: are there any side effects? Repeat. Are there any side effects? Or say, will it make me sleepy? Repeat. Will it make me sleepy? Great job! Now let's create a complete mini conversation that you can memorize and use immediately. I want you to follow this like a movie scene. Pay attention because this is the moment where you feel you're not studying grammar, you're speaking. Here we go. Customer. Hi, I'm not feeling well. I have a sore throat. Pharmacist. How long have you had it? Customer. It started 2 days ago. Pharmacist. Okay, do you have a fever? Customer. Yes, I have a mild fever. Pharmacist. Do you take anything else? Customer. No, just vitamins. Pharmacist. What would you like? Customer. I'm looking for something for sore throat relief. Pharmacist. Any allergies? Customer. I'm allergic to penicillin. Pharmacist. We can do a safe alternative. And then the pharmacist might explain directions. You listen, and you can ask follow-ups. Customer. How should I take it? And that's it. That's the natural flow. Now your turn. Pause this video for 1 second and say the full customer lines out loud. Don't just read, speak. Now I want to add an attention moment again because I don't want you to feel bored. Here's the story part. Imagine you do this in the pharmacy and the pharmacist nods and starts explaining. You understand most of it. Then they say one key word that you already know because today we trained it. It's the word dosage. When you hear dosage, you feel calm because you know exactly what question to ask. That's the power of repetition. Now, in the last part of today's episode, we practice the hardest part, the part where you respond naturally without translating in your head. So I'm going to give you fast question and answer lines. Shadow them one by one. Are you pregnant? I'm not pregnant. Or, I think I might be pregnant. That's another option, but choose the one that matches you. Don't guess in real life. This is just language practice. What's your age? I'm 35. Or, I'm 24. How long have you had symptoms? I've had it since Monday. Is it getting worse? It's getting worse a little. Is it affecting sleep? Yes, it's keeping me up at night. Now let's finish with the payment and closing line because natives end conversations smoothly. Say, how much is it? Then, can I pay by card? And final, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Repeat all together. How much is it? Can I pay by card? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Perfect. Now here's your challenge for today. In the comments, I want you to write the exact medicine buying sentence you would say in a real pharmacy. Use this template. I'm looking for something for my, then add your symptom. Example, I'm looking for something for my headache. Another example, I'm looking for something for a cough. Your sentence must be in American English, and don't worry if you're not perfect. The goal is to be understood and sound natural. While you write your comment, also take one breath, relax your shoulders, and imagine you're in that pharmacy scene from the beginning. Because when your body feels calm, your speech gets better. Before we close, do one more shadow run. I will say it, you repeat. Ready? I'm not feeling well. I have a sore throat. It started 2 days ago. I'm looking for something for sore throat relief. How should I take it? Are there any side effects? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Great work. This was day 13 of the 30-day shadowing challenge. Tomorrow, we'll keep going. If you want to continue learning English fast, make sure you follow the channel and get ready for day 14. See you in the next episode and keep shadowing because that's how real English becomes yours.